Hey, how we going, guys? My name is Rio and I am a funding manager here at Capital Infusion. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about a client of mine. He's a doctor out in California. My first conversation with the client was pretty interesting. Very cut, dry, to the point kind of guy. My type of guy, I think, very successful, runs a great business, right? Needed some funds to essentially just cover some operating expenses, right? So the first time that I did speak to him was pretty quick, easy, told him what we needed to fund, quick application, couple bank statements, he sent it in, had an approval for him same day, and we were actually able to get everything wrapped up pretty quick and pretty easy. I think we funded within 24 hours. He was approved up to a total of $200,000. At the time, he only wanted 50. So that's what he ended up moving forward with. He actually ended up giving me a call back just shy of a year later. And he was in the market for some more funds. He wanted to expand the practice a little bit. And he also, with the expansion, was going to need some additional funds for payroll, hiring some new staff. So this time around, he sent the updated statements in, right? We already had the application, so the process is way easier the second time around. Just need some updated statements. He got those over to me, and he was actually doing a bit more revenue. So I was able to go back to the same lender that we already had a working relationship with. They actually approved him a total of $250,000 this time around. And we were actually able to do something pretty interesting this time around. So he wanted to expand the practice a bit. So he was going to need around $150,000 for that. And then he also wanted to have money in reserves just in case he needed. So we were able to split things up. I ended up doing a term loan for him for $150,000, right? We got that funded, and then simultaneously we set him up with a $75,000 line of credit. And that's a revolving line, so he's able to pull on that every now and then as he needs to cover payroll or cover a miscellaneous expense there, pay it off, replenish the line, and it's working pretty well for him. I think he actually just drew $50,000 2 weeks ago. The second time around, I think he was very impressed. I don't know if he knew that we actually did lines of credit, and the fact that we were actually able to solve, both problems with two different programs was pretty great, right? So we got what he needed on the working capital side, and then we set him up with a revolving line of credit. So he was pretty surprised, but definitely pleasantly surprised, and we also got that wrapped up in 2 days. So very quick turnaround time. And he was definitely excited about that. So guys, if you found this helpful and you think your business could benefit, definitely give us a shout. I'm here, ready to help, and we'll see you soon.